Hey guys, Melissa here, trying to film all these videos in one day so I can get all this stuff put away. But I want to show you, I'm going to do the video in a little different way. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you, because it's a Dollar Tree haul, a huge Dollar Tree haul that's been going on probably for over a month or more. But it's so many things that I'm just going to flip the camera around, show you what I've got, and then I'll flip it back around because I'm going to break it up in sections. I have Christmas decor. I have some fall decor. I have some DIY decor, some home decor, craft items. So I'm just going to break it up into categories and show you what I've got. So here we go. Okay, well here we go. So I purchased two of the trees, one white and one green. And the little, I make little snowman with those, so I needed the snowman hats. And this year I'm going to make one with this plaid. So I said I'm using a lot of the red and black plaid this year. Two of the sleigh, two snow globes, and I got three of these. It would be really good to do something with a tree. And then I bought two of the black and white, and then two of these. I also picked up one reindeer head. That's the only one I've been able to find. And then I picked up these angel wings. Alright, two of the little sleds. Two of the little Merry Christmas red trucks, because I think one I'm going to hang on the tree and one I'm going to use for a DIY and cut this piece off. I found these little elf legs, which I'm going to plan on making a wreath out of. So I found one set of those. Saw where someone on YouTube used these to go around a cake taker or cake stand to make it a little more. They used it in the black and white for Halloween, but I'm going to use the red one for Christmas. Picked up two of the red birds, but they do have the village people and things out now. This one just has the grandma and the little girl and Santa. And of course this one was the cutest one of all, the two little lights in the bench. And then they're building a snowman and a little girl standing in the snow. I am debating on changing my Christmas decorations to the red and black plaid, buffalo plaid. Not sure yet. I may put up two trees because I want to use them both. Because I love my Victorian tree that I have. Picked up this little glittery topper to go on one of my little Dollar Tree trees. Picked up two of these little poinsettias. Picked up another pack of the wire garland. Picked up one more of these because I don't know if I'm even going to hang them on my tree. I may use them as DIYs. Picked up this little plaid print with the deer. And finally, I think my other ones were galvanized. This is the buffalo check red sleigh. Picked up two bundles of this pine cone bouquet, and then one of the more berries and less pine cones with the little greenery. Then also two more of these trees. The white trees are actually very hard to come by. So something I had not seen at the Dollar Tree yet is this 18-inch wreath. Wish I had picked up two of these, and if I find them again, I will pick up one more at a good price. And then I picked up one pack of this garland. Okay, I picked up three more of the little miniatures. The snowman, the little people, and a Santa. And then another one of the little lights and the little tree. And I use these in like a snow globe type thing. And you can use these for winter, not just Christmas, but for winter also. They're very hard to find, so I try to pick them up at Christmas so I can have them to continue to use. And finishing up with the Christmas, I found one of these. I'm going to use it in a DIY or when I do my mantle. And then this one. And then just picked up a pack of baby's breath. And I picked up, this kind of falls in between DIY and Christmas. These would be really pretty to put in like a one of the snow globes. And just to give it a little bit of sparkle. video, I'll show you the few Halloween and fall things I bought. I bought these little witch's leg, this Boo hat. It's a witch's hat. Actually, it makes a very cute fall door wreath. And even though this is for Halloween, I thought this would be nice for any kind of, vintage fall or just everyday DIY material. Also, Olivia made pumpkins and made pillows using this car microfiber cloth, which is super soft. So I bought that for the material. And look at this, all about that base. I bought some more of the little white ones because I found them. And I picked up another pack of these, like I say, repurchase, just to have on hand. Because you can actually use the thankful and the blessed, the thankful and the welcome year round. And this is the second set of these little harvest bows I picked up. Okay, kind of went a little crazy here, but these are the little canvas ones, the little canvas wall art. And I picked up anything that would appeal to my home. Plus, I got some with horses on it and stuff I gave to my daughter, but she already has those. But I got the farmhouse, the family. These two are going to go in my shabby chic room. The hydrangeas was just my favorite flower. And the bike, I have to say, I think this is the prettiest one of all. That flower arrangement, the cotton, do what you love. And love is the answer with the cotton wreath. So I thought these were all adorable. And like I said, there's 3 more that had horses on it that my daughter's already taken. The haul for the pictures, I did finally find the farmhouse form I picked up. And this first thing I picked up were these adorable little unicorn socks. And they're so thick and warm. I thought they would be nice to wear in the wintertime or give as a gift. So I went in and picked those up. These screen guards, the best screen guards. We buy 2 or 3, 4 of them at a time and keep them on hand. They have literally protected every single one of our phones. And it is only $1, and you'll pay anywhere from $10 to $20 for these at a cell phone store. So I finally found one of the picture frame clips. I also have a white one in this, but we're using it in a wedding, so I've already given that one away. I got the little pink Eiffel Tower to go in my shabby chic room. 2 of the and symbols. One of the and symbols and one of the at symbols. And then some bookmarks, and they're magnetic. The craft supply stuff I've picked up in the last little while. I got 2 of these little silver and white birds. Some of this I'm going to use for Christmas, but most of this I'm going to use to decorate this room with. I thought this was really nice, something new my Dollar Tree has. And I thought that would be neat to just when you're doing clays or mixing paint. Some packs of glitter. These are glue sticks, some white Elmer's glue, a foam stick, a container, just a clear container to organize, a rainy day funds. I thought I could do something really cute for that for a gift or Christmas or something. Some 3 white boas to go into my shabby chic room to make, I think, a wreath. One of this black and white plaid headbands. I just want it for the fabric. One of these balls that I'm going to use to make a topiary with. Try to do a video on that. 2 stencil brushes. Hadn't seen these here. It's made by Jot. They were really nice. I thought they would be really good to do painting with. Some of this flour sack material. That's not bad for $1. You can, DIYs with it and use the fabric. 2 more little white birds. That's going in my new shabby chic room. 2 containers of buttons, just to do projects with. They had the small 2-pack of the 8-inch wreaths forms, so I picked up 2 of those. And I finally found a little red truck. I'm going to use that in one of my Christmas DIYs. Picked up a pack of safety pins. different sizes. Some of the LED lights. And some of the real pretty paper white stickers. And they're pop-up and they have rhinestones on them. Flowers at Dollar Tree. Bought these flowers at Dollar Tree to fix all the DIYs that I have for this room. All those wreaths and things. So I just bought a bundle of roses. A little bit darker pink roses. And since I'm doing some greens, I thought I would add in a few of these little green stalks. These are called orchids. These are orchids. And these right here are another non-Christmas item. So I picked up this My Little Pony Christmas movie for the grandkids to watch. It's just a DVD. I picked up a couple of things for Christmas or stocking stuffers. They're the Little Mermaid makeup brushes. I've never used a face mask before, so I'm going to try that one. And a home decor item. This is something new. It has the little wooden frame and a little burlap in the front. And the everything farmhouse, this right here is. There's others. That's just the only one I picked up. And now getting into the craft supplies. I picked up 2 of this reindeer, and I'm also trying to restock my craft room, so that's what some of this is for. I picked up one of these little car chamois microfiber cloths. Picked up a pair of red, fluffy, glittery looking little socks for DIY. To go along with that DIY, you might see the theme I'm going with here. I picked up this little red toboggan with the little poof on top. And the little emoji hat. I really only need half of this black hat, so this will be cut off. But I needed a poof ball, so I'm going to cut the poof off of this one and put it on the black one. Which, for $2 is still not bad. Plus I can use the fabric for other things. Picked up another one of these buffalo check headbands. Basically just for the fabric. Picked up a pack of popsicle sticks. Those. Also picked up a pack of these little T-pin, well, snowflake shiny stickers. Also the red ones, since I figure I'm doing a lot of red for Christmas this year. They have the little wooden beads. What I'm planning on doing with these is wiring them, well, putting some rope through them. And I'm going to spray paint them because I don't want these colors, but I'm going to spray paint them like an almond color and DIY them and make some bead ropes with it for Christmas. And then I picked up some styrofoam. And then to go along with my DIY, I picked up a pack of the men's full cushion crew socks. And I always need elastics. These are just little black elastics. And then just to have in my stash are the little googly eyes. I figured I picked up 4 of these because they're pearls and you can use them for all kinds of crafting. And they're very hard to find, believe it or not. I had to check 3 or 4 Dollar Trees to find the pearl ones. So I picked up 3 in off-white and 1 set of pink. So that's what I got for the beads. And then to do my DIYs in the bedroom, I picked up 2 of the green and 2 of the sheer pink ribbon so that I can fix my wreaths and bows and stuff. And for a DIY, I'm actually going to need to pick up quite a bit more of these because there's another DIY I do with these. But I picked up 2 of the large and 1 of the small. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed this really long video. I told you it was a huge Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to try to break it down so it'll be a little bit less of a long video because most of it you've probably already seen and other YouTubers already hauled. But as I was showing it to you, I gave you some ideas of what I was going to do with the stuff that I found that might help you or inspire you. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time.